Hey guys, today we are talking men's makeup. Maybe you already know we offer complimentary hair and makeup styling with every single one of our in-studio portrait sessions. So why would we offer this to men? It's not like guys are really the makeup type, right? Well, rather than explain it to you in words, I thought I'd show you. So today we're bringing Art into the studio for his very own hair and makeup styling session and some before and after pictures that you're gonna see so you can understand why we recommend hair and makeup styling to every guy who walks through our door.
The only experience I have with makeup is like Halloween makeup. And my biggest concern about it is, how am I going to get it off? Like, how am I going to get it off afterwards? Like, am I going to have to scrub my face for 20 minutes?
All right, well, I think we can take care of that.
Okay, all right.
So are you ready?
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Has a couple of blemishes and a little bit of uneven skin tone, so I'm just gonna level that out and make sure that he looks elevated and clean and like a real life photoshopped version of himself.
Now that we're done, how are you feeling?
Well, I feel pretty good actually. It's kind of refreshing. There's a lot less there than I thought. So it actually, I don't know, feels kind of nice. It looks really good.
All right, well next we'll figure out how to get it off.
All right, cool.
Okay.
So what do you think? Art looked energetic, healthy, rested? Who doesn't want that in their portrait? I know I want that. So trust us to take you through the process to make you look your very best. You're gonna love the result.